Okay, so real life question here. Why do batteries die when you're already running late or when the grandkids are so close to a meltdown? This is the Energizer Max Combo Pack, 48 total batteries with 24 AA's and 24 AAA's. So you're covered for all of everyday stuff: remotes, toys, flashlights, candles, thermometers, you name it. And what I love is it's not just a big box of hope for the best. These are designed to stay fresh in storage for up to 10 years, so you can tuck them away and actually trust that they'll be ready when you need them. Plus, they're leak resistant, which helps protect your devices for up to 2 years, even after the batteries are fully used. Home sweet home tip: keep a little battery basket in one spot so you're not doing the junk drawer scavenger hunt ever again. Consistency is my standard, and a friendly reminder: I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.